Hey there, fellow adventurers, it's your man Fred, and I'm pumped to share some hardcore survival wisdom with you. Today we'll cover the ultimate camping gear checklist for a safe and enjoyable outdoor adventure. Whether you're a first-time camper or a seasoned explorer, this checklist will keep you prepared for whatever Mother Nature throws your way. If you love practical tips like these, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more outdoor guides. First things first, shelter. Out in the wild, your shelter is your lifeline. You're looking for something that can withstand the elements, wind, rain, maybe even a bit of snow depending on where your adventures take you. Size matters too. Make sure you've got enough room to sleep comfortably and store your gear. Now, tents come in all shapes and sizes with different temperature ratings and materials. You wouldn't take a 3-season tent to Mount Everest, right? Choose wisely. And remember, a good night's sleep is crucial when you're battling the elements, so don't skimp on insulation and comfort. A sleeping bag rated for the expected temperatures is non-negotiable. Trust me, there's nothing worse than a freezing night under the stars. And if you want to go the extra mile, pack a ground tarp for added protection from the damp ground, a tent repair kit for those unexpected rips and tears, and a mallet to make setting up camp a breeze. Now, let's talk food, because a hungry adventurer is a grumpy adventurer. In the wilderness, you need a reliable way to cook and eat. Lightweight stoves or fire pits are your best friends here. Choose a stove that suits your needs and fuel sources. And don't forget the essentials. Pots, pans, utensils. You know, the basics for whipping up a wilderness feast. Keeping your food safe and sound is crucial. Invest in a sturdy cooler, bear-proof containers or dry bags to keep those critters from crashing your party. Remember, hydration is key. Pack plenty of water bottles, a hydration bladder for longer treks, and a water filter or purification tablets. Trust me, there's nothing worse than running out of water in the middle of nowhere. When it comes to clothing, think layers, people. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer to keep you dry. Add an insulating layer for warmth and top it off with a weatherproof jacket to protect you from the elements. Remember, the weather can change in an instant in the great outdoors, so be prepared for anything. And footwear? Hiking boots are your best bet for rugged terrain, but a good pair of casual shoes will do for more leisurely camping trips. Don't forget extra socks. Wet socks are a recipe for disaster. Now let's talk personal hygiene. Pack those toiletries. Biodegradable soap, toothbrush, toothpaste. You know the drill. Sunscreen is a must, even on cloudy days. And don't forget insect repellent. Those mosquitoes can be relentless. Finally, always pack a first aid kit. Accidents happen, and it's best to be prepared. Chapter 4. Out in the wilderness, it's easy to get turned around. That's where navigation comes in. A map and compass are your best friends here. Learn how to use them. Trust me, they could save your life. And for those unexpected emergencies, a whistle and an emergency blanket are absolute must-haves. They're small and lightweight, but can make a world of difference if you find yourself in a tight spot. Remember, safety first. It's always better to be over-prepared than under-prepared. So pack smart, stay aware of your surroundings, and respect the power of Mother Nature. Chapter 5, Bonus, Comfort and Fun Add-ons Enhancing Your Experience. Now, we've covered the essentials, but let's talk about those little extras that make camping even more enjoyable. A comfortable camping chair can make all the difference after a long day of hiking. A hammock is perfect for relaxing under the trees. And don't forget some entertainment. A deck of cards, a good book, or even a portable speaker can really enhance your camping experience. Oh, and if you're into photography, a camera is a must for capturing those stunning wilderness views, and a solar charger can keep your electronics powered up on the go. Chapter 6, Wrap Up and Final Checklist. Ready to conquer the wild? All right, adventurers, let's recap. We've covered the essential gear for shelter, cooking, clothing, navigation, safety, and even some fun add-ons. Remember, this is just a starting point. You can personalize your checklist based on your trip duration, location, and personal preferences. Before you go, hit that like button, share this video with your camping buddies, and subscribe for more tips to make every adventure amazing. Chapter 7. Until next time, adventurers, what's your must-have camping gear? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you're looking for your next adventure, maybe we'll talk about the best beginner-friendly hiking trails next time. Stay wild, my friends. Stay wild. So there you have it, folks. The essentials to survive and thrive on your next camping trip. Remember, preparation is key. Pack smart, respect the wild, and never underestimate the power of Mother Nature. And most importantly, never give up. The wilderness is calling, and it's time to answer.